That is funny. If you collect enough of these Chinese boxes, you can buy Get Beats. Test this out. Oh, I could win an instant prize. That'd be nice. Check for this one. Maybe. Stay. Oh, got that. First try. See how many we can get in a row. This would be pretty exciting. Come on, 2 in a row? Yep, 2 in a row. Nice. Let's go for 3 in a row. Oh, that may have it. Yes, 3 in a row. Nice, 3 in a row. Check that out. I don't know if I want to go for this one right here because I think it might stab, so I'm just gonna go for this one in the middle right here. I don't know, I feel like it might stab though. Oh gosh. There goes my spree. Ooh, that hand just came off. I wonder if I can win that. Maybe later. Oh crap. Wait, I might have it. Come on. Stay. Stay, first try. Nice, first try. Got the Hackus. Awesome. Sweet. Ooh, you know what? Oh, look at that. 2 in a row. Wow. This thing really keeps it. Oh, no. Crap. Thought I had it. Now I can go for the glove anyways. I want to get this Om-Nom, maybe that Domo too. That'd be sweet. Ooh. Oh, I can almost hook it in that loop too. Alright. Oh, that's perfect. That should have it close. Oh my god. That'd be hard. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Stay. Oh, yes. Got it. Sweet. It actually doesn't look too ungettable. Oh, that might have it. Close. Oh. What does this one want? Let's see. Ooh, this is a Tweety hat. Look at this old.
Get on there.
What's the rest of this? Union phase with independent.
You're had your turn. You're all done.
Ooh, Stacy. Oh, yes. Not the thank you.